Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to draw on Notion. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Notion account, as you guys can see here, and you have any project open on your screen. Now the idea here is we're going to use a tool called Whiteboard to actually paste the link of our drawing onto Notion and switch it into embed format. So I'll show you guys just how to do that. So here's the site where you guys would want to go to. So that's whiteboard.com. As you can see, I believe they actually use the same company for this or whatever, but basically you would want to draw anything you want here. So I could draw like a bat symbol or whatever, just like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to copy the link for this one. Actually, let me see if I can switch this to black. Okay, so here we are. Let's actually do that again. Control Z. Okay, just like that. Then we're going to copy the link over from Whiteboard and head back to Notion. And basically, just click anywhere on new project or whatever. It could be your notes. Going to paste the link. And when you guys hover over the link, there should be an option to create an embed. So there's three. From the drop down, there's dismiss, create bookmark, and create embed. So we're going to select the last option here. And you guys will see that it's actually going to display the drawing that I made over at Whiteboard onto Notion. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.